Nature is our teacher. Life is our examiner. Art is our vessel to action the voice of change. Love, laughter, tears. These are the primary colors of my palette. Sometimes mixing to create a new experience, a lasting image. Sometimes painting over painful wounds. Each day is a new life, a new opportunity to live. Just look around you, open your eyes and see this moment for the gift that it is. Let the world within you light up the universe around you. Follow your own star and never lose sight. For one day, you will too become stardust, just a memory left behind.